Hello everybody. We're going to do a song called Asturias in this segment. The beginning of it is very doable for a beginner. It's good finger picking exercise. It's a good left hand and a good right hand exercise. So basically, to do this song, we're going to put our index finger on the fifth string. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the fifth string. Seventh fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to put a little bit of pressure on it. And we're just going to play the melody section if you want. And we're going to go to the fourth string, the ninth fret. Okay, with the third finger. This is actually called a power chord, just for your own edification. We'll learn about power chords in other segments. It's another useful technique that you'll use for, let's say, rock guitar, a lot of modern types of music. And once again, I just make the comment that we're not going to limit ourselves to classical music, but it's these songs are very good for beginners in terms of getting a little bit of feel for the guitar and moving your left hand and your right hand. So once again, 7th fret, 5th string, 9th fret, 4th string. And we're going to do a bit more work on the 4th string. We're going to go to the 10th fret and then the 7th fret, all on the 4th string. So I'll do that again. Okay. 9th fret, 10th fret, 7th fret, all on the 4th string, 9th fret on the 4th string, 10th fret on the 5th string. You don't need to keep the finger down at this point. As a beginner, you can just lift off the finger. I'm keeping it down because it's a little bit nicer. Here, simpler. That would be a simpler way to do it. Okay, so 7th fret, 5th string, 9th fret, 4th string, 10th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 9th fret, 4th string, 10th fret, 5th string. That's the beginning. This may take you a week, but it's excellent workout for the fingers, for the left hand. I'll repeat it a few times. And now, the fun part. We're going to add the 2nd string open. Every time we play, call it a melody note or a bass note, it's perhaps a melody in the bass, we're going to play the 2nd string open. So, the same melody line from before. However, after every note, we will add the 2nd string. I'll just comment on the fact that as you get a little bit more used to the song, you can use 2 fingers on this 2nd string, and you can alternate the fingers. Makes it a little bit easier to go fast. However, that's not important at the beginning. So I'll go and I'll speed it up and then I'll go slow. Okay, so that's a little bit, the song's played a little bit faster, okay? It's not played slowly, but at the beginning you have to do it slowly. It's really important, by the way, to play slow at the beginning and to make as few mistakes as possible. That way your learning process is going to accelerate. If you try to play it fast immediately and make mistakes, you tend to learn those mistakes and the learning process is going to be slowed down. It's a very important concept, okay? That you practice slowly at the beginning. Very important. Getting speed later on is very easy if you've done it slowly for a while at the beginning. So we're going to do it slowly now.